the University of Pavia. Hello guys, so welcome back to Higher Education Center, Matrola Overseas, where we promise you to place in universities that are either equivalent or better ranked than IIT, IIM and AIMS. And today we are going to discuss about one of the most exciting universities in Italy for MBBS degree, that is the University of Pavia. You can have a notebook and a pen with you, note down the details because we are going to discuss all of this in today's video. So without any further delay, let's get into today's video. So dreaming of studying MBBS at a university that blends tradition with cutting-edge innovation, the University of Pavia offers you the world-class medical education in the heart of the Italy, along with incredible opportunities for global career advancement. So whether you dream of practicing in Europe, the UK or anywhere in the world, the University of Pavia equips you with everything you need to know and succeed. Let's dive in and explore why this is the deal or ideal destination for your medical journey. Well, a legacy of excellence in medicine. Established in 1361, the University of Pavia is one of Italy's oldest and most prestigious universities with a rich history of academic excellence. It ranks among the top 300 universities globally and offers a renowned medical program that combines centuries-old tradition with the modern medical education. Its legacy is exemplified by the prestigious medical school, which is recognized worldwide for providing high-quality research-driven medical training. Then the next point is the world-class medical infrastructure. The University of Pavia is known for its advanced medical facilities, including state-of-the-art hospitals where students begin clinical training from their first year. These teaching hospitals are equipped with latest medical technologies, ensuring that the students gain hands-on experience with cutting-edge medical tools and practices. Whether you are learning about diagnostics, surgery, or patient care, you will be immersed in a learning environment that prepares you for real-world medical experience and practice. Next point is the global career opportunities. One of the most attractive features of studying MBBS at the University of Pavia is its international recognition of its degree. Graduates can practice in countries across Europe, including many countries like UK and many other international healthcare systems, with no need of additional exams like the PLAB for UK. This is due to the university's commitment to aligning its curriculum with global medical standards, ensuring that your education is recognized worldwide. Research and excellence and clinical exposure is another major point. The University of Pavia's commitment to research and clinical excellence is unparalleled. The university collaborates with top hospitals and research centers to offer students the chance to engage in groundbreaking medical research and innovative projects. So whether you are interested in clinical trials, medical technologies, or public health research, Pavia provides ample opportunities to make a meaningful impact in the world of medicine. Talking about the scholarship opportunities, so financial support at the University of Pavia is robust. The university offers a variety of scholarships, including need-based scholarship and the merit-based awards, to help reduce the financial burden of studying abroad. These scholarships can cover tuition fees and in some cases living expenses as well, making this prestigious medical education more accessible to students from all backgrounds. Student life in Pavia, let's discuss about that. Well, Pavia is a very picturesque historical city with a welcoming atmosphere, making it an ideal destination for international students. The city offers perfect blend of academic focus and leisure with plenty of cultural landmarks, parks, and activities to enjoy. The university student life is vibrant, offering students the chance to engage in various clubs, events, and activities while exploring the beauty of northern Italy. So, to conclude it all, the University of Pavia is more than just a place of learning. It's a springboard for your international medical career. With its world-class infrastructure, to the global recognition and a focus on research and clinical exposure, Pavia is one of the best places to study MBBS in Italy. The combination of tradition and modern facilities and a global opportunities makes it a top choice for medical aspirants. So, are you ready to take the next step towards your medical career? Join the University of Pavia and start your journey today. So if you have any doubts or anything, you can definitely book a personalized mentorship through the link in the description below, and I will see you in the next video.